Hello friends, in this video tutorial we are going to discuss about the if-else statement in Python. If-else statement is an extension of if statement. It is allowed to evaluate the specified condition. If condition is true, then the statement inside the if will be executed. Otherwise, control transfer to the else part and the statement inside the else will be executed. Let's see with practical example here. I have opened the Python script file and now I am going to declare a variable is and convert into int value and take the input from the user. So use here the input function and give here the message. Enter the age and press enter. Write here the if and then age greater than 17 and then colon. Write here the message print valid for vote and then write here else and colon and then print, give the message not valid for vote, not valid for vote. Save it. Look here, I have given the condition if is greater than 17, then it will print this message that is followed by the if statement valid for vote. If the condition become false, then the control come to the else part and this will print this statement not valid for vote because this print statement followed by the else. So just save it and run it, run module and enter the age. Now I am going to enter the age as a 20 and it will print the message valid for vote. Now I am going to close it and again run it and write here age as a 12 and it will print valid, not valid for vote, print the else part because the age, this condition, the if condition become false, so control come to the else part and print the not valid for vote. Thank you friends. Please like and comment my video and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Thanks a lot.